Hello children, today we are going to revise the poem Grasshopper and the Cricket with the help of these extra question answers. The poetry of earth is never dead when all the birds are faint with the hot sun and hide in cooling trees, a voice will run from hedge to hedge about the new mound made. That is the grasshopper's. He takes the lead in summer luxury he has never done with his delights for when tired out with fun. He rests at ease beneath some pleasant wheat. What is an ongoing process in nature? Where do birds go when heat of the sun rise? How has the continuity of music maintained? Name the figure of speech in the above stanza. Describe the beauty of the poem. So the first question is what is an ongoing process in nature? Poetry rhythm in nature is an unending process giving life to its surroundings. Where do birds go when heat of the sun rise? As the heat of the sun rise, the birds hide in branches to find a cool place for themselves. How has the continuity of music during the extreme heat when birds are singing, voice of grasshopper delights with its music. Name the figure of speech in the above stanza. The figure of speech in the above stanza is metaphor. The poetry of earth is ceasing never. On a lone winter evening, when the frost has wrought a silence, from the stone there shrills the cricket's song in warmth increasing ever, and seems to one in drowsiness, half lost. The grasshoppers among some grassy hill. What is ceasing never? The poetry of earth is never ceasing, it will never end. Who takes up the job of providing rhythm during winters? Cricket takes up the job by providing rhythm in extreme cold weather. From where do the crickets sing? The crickets hide under the stone and sing in its shrill voice. What is the impact of cricket and grasshopper music? Crickets and grasshoppers make sounds that suits the listener. Even its extreme weathers, the listeners are recovered from their drowsy sleep to listen to the endless fountain of relief with the music of the nature. Here the cricket and grasshopper are not taking as an insects. They are just just denoting the season, like cricket denoting the winter season and grasshopper denoting the summer season. I hope the concept is clear to you all. Thank you, children.